Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this really quick, simple soup. It uses some ingredients that some people might not like, so you got to be, depending on who your customers, I guess you say are. But it's a tofu snow pea noodle bowl. It only takes a few ingredients, takes no time at all, and tastes amazing. And you could also mess around, add different things to it, subtract some things to it, and make it your own. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, for starters, what I did was I got water and I put it in here and I brought it to a boil, and I used chicken bouillon cubes. If you don't want to use the chicken cubes or anything, you can just use regular chicken broth. I'd say as much as you want. I'd say about 5 cups is probably about a good amount for a few servings. After you bring it to a boil, you're going to want to go ahead and add your pasta. You can use any kind of noodles you want. I'm using angel hair. You want to break them into smaller pieces. You go ahead and bring it back to a boil and let it cook for about 6 minutes after you bring it back to a boil. So I'll get back to you once mine's ready to go. Right after your pasta is all good to go, I forgot to mention that depending on what pasta you're using, you might want to wait a little, or wait a little bit less time. Like if you're cooking some noodles that only take a few minutes, then don't wait the full 6 minutes. But anyway. Now you're going to go ahead and add your tofu. You go ahead and add snow peas. Oh, it's going to be a lot. Mix that up a little bit before I add the next thing. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots. I bought the pre-cut matchstick carrots. If you feel like cutting them yourself. I'm just trying to do the quick, easy method. I'm only going to put a little bit in there because I already have enough stuff in there. How much you put of any of these ingredients is up to you. If you want to have more broth than anything else, then just put few of everything else in there, like fewer noodles and everything. Then you're going to go ahead and mix all that up. If you want to add like some little spiciness to it, like some chili flakes or something, or garlic chili sauce or whatever, go for it. I'm making this one simple. We can go ahead and let it cook for 2 more minutes to make sure everything is cooked all the way through before the next step. I'll come back to you guys when mine's ready. Alright, mine's been cooking for about 2 more minutes to get everything cooked up. Now the final touch is add some cilantro, some green onions, some soy sauce. If you want to add some ginger and some lime sauce, or lime juice to it too to give it extra flavors, go for it. Just going to mix it up. Then once you have those ingredients all mixed up, you can go ahead and start serving it. You want to try to serve it right away since you have those fresh ingredients in there, like the green onions and stuff. Look at that. That looks amazing. And there you go. There is your tofu and snow pea noodle bowl. Enjoy. And there you have it. Told you, nice and simple, takes minutes and tastes amazing. I used a lot of pre-prepared stuff, like pre-cut up carrots. I could have used broth to make it even quicker instead of boiling the water and then throwing the cubes in there. There's a lot of things I could do. I just did a lot of different things depending on money and time I have. And I want to show people that you can do amazing food even without having to hand prepare everything you make. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please go down in the comments below and let me know if you liked it or not. Let me know if you tried it. If you did, feel free to find me on Facebook or Instagram and send me a picture, show me what yours look like, and if you added or subtracted anything to it. While you're down there, make sure you hit that little subscribe button and that little bell doohickey and a little thumbs up. Give me a like. Make sure you share this with friends and let everyone know. I'm trying to do a bunch of videos with like 5 ingredients or less, or short amount of time, so people can make it no matter what their level of cooking is. Anyway, well, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you around.